How to manage video broadcast notifications on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage video broadcast notification on Twitch. First then go to Twitch and now click here this one, click on it and then click this one, account settings, and now click here notifications, and now click this one on mobile, and now all you need to do is just find this one here, video broadcast, and just click here to turn it off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And as you see, that's how many video broadcast notification. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.